All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Yesterday, I showed you the contract that we're going to be interacting with. Today, we're going to pick up with some light reading. So once we have commented out these lines, we can start writing the new lines of code that will allow us to add a person to our contract. I showed you those yesterday. We will start with a print statement that will signal that we are storing a new person to our contract. This is how we will write the print statement. We'll say print storing a person. Next, we will say favorites contract.add person. Note, remember that our add person takes two parameters, so we will pass in a name in the form of a string and the age in the form of a UN256. This will look like this. You see favorites contract.add person. We have many and they have 31. Notice this function takes a regular Python string as a parameter, and Python strings are dynamic by default, whereas Viper strings are fixed size arrays. This means that the string size must be specified when the parameter is passed. We will then store this added person to a variable. We will do that like this. We'll say person data equal favorites contract dot list of people. I'm gonna leave it right there for now. Tomorrow we're gonna hop back inside the contract so I can show you how we move on, and then we're gonna come back over here to the module so we can read exactly what's going on after we move on. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. From now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.